Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to review the Truefree T2 Wireless Earbuds. The Truefree T2 Wireless Earbuds is a great all-round pair of wireless earbuds. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 with 4 mics noise cancelling for iOS, Android and laptop. Truefree earbuds use the most modern Bluetooth technology, resulting in a strong wireless connection and improved audio quality. They also have a user-friendly design that provides customers with a practical and enjoyable experience. In order to meet the needs of different customers, Truefree also focuses a high premium on product innovation, regularly launching new features and aesthetics. Strong bass, charges fast. Fits in my ears snug while running, no issues during phone calls, even when I was outside with cars driving by. So guys, let's open the box and see what's inside. We have the Truefree T2 Wireless Earbuds with charging case. Type-C cable for charging. 2 extra pair of earplugs. And a user manual. Now, let me show you the advantages and characteristics of the product. Immersive stereo sound. 10mm bio-compound diaphragm driver Bluetooth earbuds with microphone produce rich sound details, powerful bass, mellow mids, and precisely carved treble for an immersive listening experience. Better sealing and a more snug fit are guaranteed by the many ear tips offered. The 4 grams lightweight earbuds' ergonomic shape and perfect fit make it ideal for a long-hour pleasure. Crystal clear calls. Bluetooth earphones pick up your voice and cancel out background noise for crystal clear calls every time thanks to their 4 microphones and AI-enhanced noise cancellation. Whenever you're on conference calls, online courses, video or voice chat, live streaming, etc., be heard clearly. Instant pairing. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, wireless Bluetooth earbuds provide faster connection, energy-saving benefit to receiving devices, encryption to protect the transmitted data and more stable data signal, rapid switching between low-duty and heavy-duty cycles. Simply open the charging case and they connect immediately. Compatible with Bluetooth-enabled devices with version 4.0 and above, such as smart TV, phones and laptops, game mode and smart touch control. Wireless earphones adopts the latest technology to ensure low latency in game mode and intuitive touchpad technology for effortless control of tracks, volume, activate Siri, Google Assistant, and answer, hang up calls and more without operating your phone. 23 hours playtime and single twin mode. With a battery life of up to 6.5 hours on a single charge and more than 23 hours when used with the portable charging case, wireless earbuds are designed to keep up with you. Either earbud may serve as the primary device for standalone use. Simply use them alternately to increase the listening time to 46 hours and put one back to enjoy the other exclusively. The Truefree T2 are very comfortable to wear, the communication is swift, and the sound quality is good. Compact and simple to fit in a pocket. The casing design. It takes a while to charge. An excellent product all over at a low cost. In my opinion, this earbuds has a good sound quality with strong bass, something like what you hear in cinema. Very clear mic, tested with team and working very well in video calls. Long battery life. Overall a well-rounder and feels like a premium device, especially like the fit. Feels like the earphones click to your ear. If you are looking for an earbuds with deep bass sound quality that offer a good value, look no further. The Truefree T2 Wireless Earbuds are an excellent pair of wireless headphones with a clean design that is comfortable and secure. The Truefree T2 Earbuds is currently available for a very good price, so don't miss out on this great deal. To view its price or buy it, you can access the offer by clicking on the link in description below this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.